Investment talk these days is just pain and endless arguments. The world's so turbulent that honestly, I don't even think about where to invest anymore. I think about whether stable passive income is even possible long term. Crypto swings 20% in a day. Stocks react to every Trump tweet. Real estate looks expensive on paper, but new builds sit unsold. Markets have become too fast for humans. That's just the reality now. Hey everyone, I'm Chris, and today we're comparing major passive income types by risk and returns. Plus, one thing most people completely miss when chasing profits, your actual time. Hours and days glued to screens. Because at some point, you need to step back and ask yourself, is this really worth it? There are 4 criteria: real average returns, not cherry-picked success stories, risk level, time and involvement, and how much human error screws you over. Let's start with last year's obsession, crypto. Last year, average active crypto trader made anywhere from minus 30% to plus 30% annually. The volatility is absurd. 10 to 15% daily swings are just everyday occurrences. Only the top 5% traders stay consistently profitable. The rest barely cover their therapy bills. And regulatory risks hangs over everything. Some official can shut it down overnight. Look, crypto isn't about knowledge or experience anymore. It's about reaction, speed, and luck. That's it. Let's talk about stocks and ETFs. Historical average is 7 to 10% annually. 2023 gave us 20% plus, but everyone knew that was weird. Analysts are calling for 5 to 8% growth this year in the best case scenario. Enough to maybe offset inflation. But stable passive income? That's stretching it. The risks are fun too. Interest rates, geopolitics, overheated markets. And there's one thing with stocks, yes, they're solid, but the horizon is 5 to 10 years. Most people can't stomach watching 20% drawdowns without panicking. I've seen it happen. Now, real estate, every millionaire's safe choice. Average rental yield in developed countries, 3 to 6%. That's annually. Property appreciation, 2 to 5%, often below inflation. After taxes and maintenance, you're looking at 1 to 3%. Net, maybe. If you've got a couple of billion collecting dust, sure. By 2026, real estate stopped being a growth play. Now it's just parking capital. Let's talk about your own business. The most romanticized option out there. Looks incredible on paper. Potentially 50 to 200% or more annually. The reality is 80% of businesses die in 3 years. Most entrepreneurs I know earn less than they did as an employee. Strip away the Instagram entrepreneur BS, and business isn't an investment, it's a job. Irregular hours, no guaranteed paycheck, high risk. I'm not trying to crush anyone's dreams. I started with traditional business myself, but that was different times. With global corporations and AI eating everything, small business odds aren't great. I won't even mention the trading signal scams for $30 a month. We're adults. So here's where we are. All the traditional passive income players look shaky in 2026. Our subscribers know our approach. We don't chase trends, we build them. We don't look for secrets, we test new tech. That's why we created our software. And look, which tech owns the future is obvious at this point. AI is everywhere. Gaming, medicine, everything. Musk just announced orbital AI data centers. The train is leaving the station. The 21st century investors' real problems are decision, speed, and human error. AI fixes all this. It runs sessions for hours without getting tired, analyzes massive data sets in seconds. Decisions based on data, not panic. Consistently, profitable trading means doing the same boring thing repeatedly. Marathon sessions, sleepless nights, wanting to quit after losses. That destroys humans, but doesn't affect robots. The move on the year is to let the robot handle the trading while you live your life, work, study, enjoy your life. Stop burning money, time, and nerves hunting for the perfect investment vehicle. Put those resources into yourself instead. Starting takes 1 minute. Click the link in the description and send us a message to get started for free. Our AI assistant is plug and play. You don't need to understand financial markets at all. You can keep trying with decade-old tools or test something new with zero personal risk. I made my choice years ago. Now it's your turn.